a very big problem. That is my problem. My PC won't fit in my suitcase. Now in 2 days I'll be going back to school, and my plan was to bring my PC and have the best semester of my life, but that's seeming to be fleeting every single day because I cannot find a way of transporting this thing from here to there. So since I can't bring it with me on the bus, my only other option is to probably courier it, and looking at the sheer size of my PC and its weight and the distance from where I live to school, it's probably gonna run me like $300 to $400 without even including the monitor. So worst case scenario is that I'm gonna have to leave it behind and go to school as just me because I don't really have money to courier this thing, which is probably for the best, so I can actually focus on my studies, my school, my books, and not be too distracted by my PC. Psych, we're building PC number 2. Okay, that's the only reasonable solution to this problem. So I'm going to be building a mini ITX build, which is more portable, I can carry around easily. So actually I'm going to order the motherboard end of this month from AliExpress, and I'm going to order the case. I already know which case I want. It's the NZXT H210i, and the only place I've seen it is Takealot or EveTech. So I'm going to have to find a way of getting those from South Africa to here, but we'll find a way. We'll always find a way. So I'm just going to have to deal with maybe 1 month of no PC. Actually, no, I'm taking this. I don't care. I'm going to find a way. Trust me.